Tonight we're crafting the perfect recipe for spring and summer, ultimate rotisserie chicken salad. Our recipe features savory rotisserie chicken, red seedless grapes, chopped scallions, celery, toasted almonds, and pecans. We'll combine it all with mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, and fresh squeezed lemon juice. Once the chicken salad is chilled, we'll roll it up in a 7-grain organic wrap. This culinary treat is great for a snack, lunch, or dinner at home. If you're looking for a fun creation to take on a picnic or on a weekend boat ride out on the lake, this tasty wrap is the perfect choice. It's easy to make and bursting with flavor. We're making ultimate rotisserie chicken salad in the kitchen tonight. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens from around the world. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining, restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking. Tonight we're making the ultimate chicken salad. This recipe is perfect for spring and summer. It's cool and refreshing, and it's made with wholesome ingredients like tender and juicy rotisserie chicken, naturally sweet red seedless grapes, and crunchy toasted almonds and pecans. Perfect for a snack or a picnic lunch, this delicious chicken salad is rolled up in a 7-grain organic wrap and sliced in half. Here's what you'll need to make this delectable culinary treat. 2 pounds of rotisserie chicken, 1 cup of red seedless grapes sliced and diced, 3 chopped scallions, 2 stalks of celery chopped and diced, 2 sprigs of parsley chopped, 1/4 cup of toasted almonds and 1/4 cup of toasted pecans, 1 cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, the juice of 1 lemon, and salt and pepper to taste. The first thing that we need to do is to prepare our chicken. We're using a rotisserie chicken that we bought at Whole Foods. You could also use canned chicken, or you could cook 2 or 3 chicken breasts and then dice them up. We'll pull all of the meat off of the rotisserie chicken and dice it up. It's up to you whether or not you want to include the leg and the thigh meat. Slice the chicken into small dices and set it aside on a plate. Place the plate of diced chicken into the refrigerator and we'll move on to the fruit and vegetables next. First, we'll start with the grapes. You can slice them in half or slice them into quarters. And then the scallions, also called green onions, the parsley, and the celery. Place the sliced fruit and veggies onto a plate and then place the plate into the refrigerator, and we'll move on to the almonds and pecans next. You can slice the almonds and pecans with a knife, or you could chop them up like we did here using a plastic bag inside of a paper bag and a meat mallet. Now it's time to mix everything together. Get a large bowl and put all of the ingredients that you just chopped into the bowl one at a time. Add in a cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, the juice from 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste, and give everything a nice stir. Taste it and adjust your seasonings as you go. We decided to add a pinch of cinnamon and nutmeg. This is optional, but it added to the flavor and it pairs nicely with the other ingredients. Once everything is stirred thoroughly, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and place it into the refrigerator for a few hours to chill. When it's time to serve, you have several options on how to use your chicken salad. It's great on toast, but we're using a 7-grain wrap for ours. If you're looking for a low-carb or keto-friendly version of chicken salad, just leave out the grapes. Even though grapes are a natural fruit, they're loaded with sugar. You can also find low-carb tortilla wraps at the grocery store. The small wraps, like the size we're using here, are only 4 grams of net carbs. The chicken salad without the grapes is about 4 grams of net carbs too. Chicken salad is also great in lettuce wraps, or you can enjoy it without anything at all. This recipe is full of flavor and it's great all by itself. And there it is! Ultimate Rotisserie Chicken Salad! Savory rotisserie chicken with red seedless grapes, chopped scallions, celery, and toasted almonds and pecans. The perfect entree for spring and summer. It was delicious! Until next time, bon appetit!